click Commercial Keys and select Dimple. CISA. CISA. ID 1067 to enter the key data page. Dimple Keys needs Dimple decoder to decode. Fix the original key by shoulder alignment on automobile key jaw shown in the figure. Please make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then click Decode to decode. After decoding is done, please fix a new key blank by shoulder alignment on automobile key jaw shown in the figure. Make sure the key blank is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then install specified milling cutter and click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean shavings and test that the new key works well.